Beware of the attorney who tells you he can settle your case fast. You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. There are some attorneys who advertise in their marketing messages that they will take cases and they can settle them fast. They have lots of great experience because their people settle cases fast. They know the adjusters, they know the insurance companies, and they can settle cases fast. Well, guess what? Here's why you should be extremely wary of any lawyer who tells you they can settle your case fast. There's no great benefit to settling your case fast. You want to know why? It's because in all likelihood, when you settle your case at an early stage of the litigation or even in the claims process, in all likelihood, the full extent of your injuries and your damages won't truly be known. You likely still are undergoing medical care and treatment, and you won't know exactly what permanent injury, what disabilities you're going to have as a result of the injuries you suffered because of someone else's carelessness. And it might be from a car accident case. It might be from improper medical care. And now you're trying to figure out how these injuries are going to affect you in a year or 2 or 5 or 10 or 20 for the rest of your life. And if you resolve your case early, 2 things are happening. The insurance company recognizes they can get out of this case really quickly for a lowball number. Number 2, the attorney might make a quick fee simply to resolve your case without having to do any additional work and spending money to prosecute your case and, God forbid, take your case all the way to trial. That's why it's critical, as you're deciding which attorney is for you, you have to ask the law firm, how many cases do you try a year? How many verdicts does your firm take each and every year? How many cases actually get settled? How many get settled in the claims process? How many get settled during the litigation process? How many cases get settled at trial? Although it may be enticing to you to get this resolved very quickly and to get some money for your injuries, the reality is you're doing yourself no great favors. It's critical, before you go ahead and try and settle your case, to know exactly what your treating doctors think about the injuries that you're going to have for the rest of your life. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because some attorneys tell you, hey, we can try and settle your case fast. I know we can do it if you have experience doing this. Well, guess what? You got to be wary when you hear that, because instead you have to think about, what are the full extent of your injuries and damages? And do you know them at the moment you first start your matter? The answer is most likely, no, you don't. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.